Lagi ka bang palpak sa trabaho? Yung umaga pa lang, ang dami nang nangyayari na hindi okay. This is how to calm your mind and control the rest of your day. Pag sunod-sunod ang stressors mo, parang ang hirap ng huminga, di ba? Kasi pag nawawalan ka ng control, tumataas ang ating cortisol or stress hormone. But studies show we can still regulate our nervous system by doing some calming habits that signal that you are safe. Number 1, concentrate on something you can control, like your breath or your posture. Number 2, try a grounding technique. Maglakad ka sa labas. Number 3, write down your thoughts para lumuwag yung isip mo. Number 4, create a simple nighttime routine. Kahit na paglinis or pagwash ng face mo, short breathing technique, light music, it can really help. This is Dina saying, kahit palpak ka sa umaga, hindi kailangan masira ang buong araw mo. Subscribe to this channel to get exclusive tips and techniques to manage stress and have better sleep.
Ask Dina.